Losing elections is not fun. You do feel like you've been shot.
Mehmet Oz lost the U.S. Senate race to John Fetterman, a rare setback for an amazingly successful person. Medical degree and MBA from Penn, heart surgeon, author, hit TV show. He was dubbed America's doctor.
So you got family, you got friends, food, and of course, fun.
But Oz really is America's doctor now as head of the Medicaid and Medicare services, which provide health care to half the U.S.
What the president asked me to do, what the Senate confirmed me to do, is to protect our most vulnerable.
Oz defines that as kids, seniors, the mentally challenged, the very people that critics insist will be most harmed by coming cuts to funding.
If we're going to have enough money and resources, not just money, but people to take care of these vulnerable Americans, we've got to draw the line somewhere.
Oz wants to draw the line on gender-affirming care for minors and is threatening to withhold funding to hospitals that perform such care.
So sex-rejecting procedures today are paid for by you. We're not going to take U.S. taxpayer dollars to pay for these anymore. That's a very reasonable thing.
Unreasonable, says the AMA and American Academy of Pediatrics, which insists such care can improve patients' physical and mental health. The Shapiro administration joined a lawsuit that says this policy usurps state power.
I wouldn't pay for female circumcision. We don't pay for prevental lobotomies.
Oz also opposes legalizing recreational marijuana and wants more research on its medicinal value.
Especially for young people in America. I think any time you believe you have to have a drug in your body to live your full life, you're being misled.
For years, Oz argues the U.S. has been misled by pharmaceutical companies that bill Americans 3 times higher prices for the same drug than other countries.
How is that possible? We went after them, and every one of these pharma executives said, yeah, we knew one day you'd call. We're going to change the rules. We're going to charge less.
Oz lost his only election, said rebounding from defeat is a part of life. When asked if he'll ever run again, he didn't say yes and didn't say no.
I happen to be in a good place now, but I'm sure I've got more failures coming down the pike at me. God works in mysterious ways.
Oz said bad health care is expensive health care, and the system needs to focus on helping Americans prevent chronic illnesses, which are ultimately very expensive.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.